Did you know that people with lower credit scores can end up paying tens of thousands of dollars more over their lifetime than someone with excellent credit? I know that because I lived it. After my divorce, my credit wasn't where I wanted it to be. I remember applying for credit and realizing I either didn't qualify or the interest rates were so high that the payments barely made sense. It was frustrating because I felt like I was working hard, but my credit history was working against me. That experience is what led me into the credit industry more than 25 years ago. If you're in that same position today, let me walk you through the process I wish someone had explained to me. Step one is understanding why you're getting denied or offered high interest rates. Lenders don't just look at your credit score, they also review things like your payment history, outstanding balances, collections, charge offs, recent credit inquiries, and the overall risk shown on your credit reports. Step two is reviewing your credit reports carefully. You need to know exactly what's being reported before you can create a plan. Look for inaccurate information, accounts that don't belong to you, incorrect balances, duplicate accounts, or anything that appears incomplete or inconsistent. Step three is creating a strategy. That strategy might include disputing information you believe is inaccurate, paying down revolving balances, making every payment on time, or avoiding unnecessary credit applications while you're rebuilding. The biggest mistake I made was thinking better credit would happen on its own. It didn't. It took education, consistency, and a plan. The good news is that credit can improve over time when you understand how the system works and make smart financial decisions. Your credit score doesn't determine your future, it simply reflects your credit history today. Tomorrow's score is influenced by the decisions you make starting now. If you've been denied for credit or you're tired of paying higher interest rates than everyone else, don't wait until your next loan application to start making changes. Comment credit below, and I'll send you information on the first steps you can take to better understand your credit and start building a plan that works for your situation.